everyone, welcome to my nookery. My name is Linda and today I've got a happy mail from Verde, and I went to my local Hobbycraft here in the UK and I bought some yarn and a pattern book and whatever. So first things first, let's get into this Verde box. Sorry about that, guys. I hope everybody's well, and oh look, I got some chocolate, and I got many thanks from Emma at Verde, and yeah, so when I went to Harrogate I bought some of their yarn, and I really liked it. So this time, if you remember, I bought this vegan yarn which was cotton and it was a DK. So I came home and went on their website, and it's nicely packaged. Let me just get it out. It's nicely packaged, and I've just got white or cream. Oh guys, look! It come in its own bag. Oh, isn't that wonderful? So I bought some of the Piccolo Verde. It's 100% Egyptian cotton, guys, and I bought, how many did I buy? 3, 6, 9. I bought 12, 50 grams, which is Verde.uk, Textiles Limited, United Kingdom, made in Germany. It's 100% cotton. Let me see. Cool iron, gentle wash, do not bleach, do not tumble dry. 2.5 or 3.5, and there's 170 meters, 185 yards, and this is their, I would say this is their finger weight. Yeah, and it's a bit thinner than this one. Yeah, you can see text. So this is the DK, and this is the well, we call it 4-ply here in the UK. So I got 12 of those, and these are going to be, I will show you in a minute, because I bought a cotton pattern book from Hobbycraft. And yeah, so I've got 12 of these, and they're all the same colour. They're like an off-white, and I thought it'd be nice for the summer, guys. So I've got that, and it's all in its own little bag, which is wonderful, so I'll keep them in there. So that is what I purchased from Verde here in the UK. So pop that to one side, and then I went to Hobbycraft here, which is equivalent to your, I would say, Hobby Lobby or Michael's, and I purchased this cotton knits, and there's 9 patterns in there, and I bought the yarn for, let me see if I can find a really nice picture of the sweater that I want to make. Let's see, there's that one. That's nice. I love this up here. I can see me doing a lot of these. That's a pretty cardigan, and then we've got another cardigan that side, some more cardigans. And so they're cardigans. So where are the sweaters? There we are. There is the sweater that I want to do. Isn't that pretty? And I think they've also done it, I could even do it short sleeved, with the shorter sleeve. Can you see? Do that. So I'm not showing the pattern. So you could do it with the shorter sleeve. So that is what I'm going to use. That's the sweater I'm going to make for the Verde cotton yarn. So that's that. And then I've been after this yarn for a while, guys, and I've seen this pattern on the Hobbycraft website, so I popped in today, and this is the cardigan that I want to do for myself. And I needed 3 of these, which is 200 grams, and this is the Cedar Jewel Spun, and it's a 4-weight yarn, and it's 100% acrylic, and this colour is called Nordic Noir. And let me see, what does it say? It's machine washable, wool cycle wash, dark colours separately, dry flat, reshape while wet, dry press, never wet press, maybe dry cleaned, 40 degrees washing, cool iron, 5mm needle, or a UK 6, a US 8, 5mm hook, but I'm knitting, so I need knitting needles, and there's 500 meters, 546 yards, so I've got 3 of them, and I made sure I got the correct lot number, which was 84212. So yeah, 84212. So I got 3 of them, guys. Woohoo! Look at them. Aren't they so nice? So yeah, so I got them to do this. So yay! So that is what I purchased today, and I'm really looking forward to starting. So I'm putting them in my, and I always forget the name of this, what is it? In my Treadling Woman notions bag, so they'll go in there, and maybe today I'll make a start on it, see how I feel, because I'm still trying to get that knitted blanket finished so I can get the tutorial out in the new year, guys. Yay, it's nearly done, not far to go now. Once it's done, I've already done the tutorials, I just want to do the beginning of it. So there we go, all in there, all ready. So that's my project bag for that. So guys, that's it from me for today. I hope you've enjoyed. I have been purchasing a lot of yarn, guys, and yeah, so I've not done much work per se, as you can appreciate. So that's all from me for today. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, be kind to you, and until the next video, bye.